Hi, my name is KHOU. Let meteorologist Pat Cam with a look at your forecast. We get you into the start of the week. Definitely going to trend drier and hotter across the area. Can't rule out one or two isolated showers, but really the rain chances drop off, especially after Tuesday and Wednesday. And that's when the temperatures start to climb. Could challenge records as we get into the first few days of fall. We're also tracking the latest on Fiona. In fact, let's give that to you. Center of the storm right now over water. Heavy rain, though, still coming down through Puerto Rico. And we had landfall on Sunday at 1:20 p.m. local time here on the west end of the island. The eye of the storm now about 100 miles to the west, but torrential rain still coming down, creating significant flooding, catastrophic flooding. In fact, 15 to 30 inches of rain by the time it's all said and done. So where does it go from here? It scrapes by the Dominican Republic as we get into the overnight, and for the first part of Monday, then becomes a Category 2 hurricane as it passes the Turks and Caicos before moving off towards the north and east towards Bermuda as potentially a major Category 3 hurricane later on this week. Good news, though, the storm is very far from not just the United States, but from us here in Houston. Not going to be a concern for us. In fact, we don't have much to worry about tropics-wise, at least on the mainland United States, in the next 5 to 10 days. So what's steering the storm away from us? High pressure. There were two areas of high pressure that actually split as we get into the upcoming week. That gives Fiona this escape passage to the north and east. So that big heat dome that's going to set up over Houston, bringing us those record challenging temperatures, will help to deflect the storm away from us here over the next few days. So let's take a look at future track as we take you through the rest of the evening into the overnight. A few clouds out there, a lot of humidity, but mainly dry as we get into the start of Monday. Maybe a few spotty downpours, maybe one or two thunderstorms here through the afternoon. I'll put it at about a 20% chance, a very low-end chance, pretty similar to what we saw today. Then as we get you into Tuesday morning, maybe some patchy fog developing, otherwise a few clouds, then sunshine through the day, and then a 10% chance of a shower, if that. And we trend even drier as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. In fact, we go from a 20 and 10% rain chance to goose eggs as we get into the second half of the week. Now, with lower rain chances, we get more sunshine, and with more sunshine, we get more heat. So we go from the mid-90s Monday and Tuesday to the upper 90s Wednesday, and we could flirt with 100 degrees, which would be the record high temperature as we get into Thursday. The forecast air temperatures there on the bottom, the records for each day there on the top in orange. So we could get close to breaking a record on Thursday. We could actually break the record as we get into the day on Friday. Through the overnight, though, mainly clear, muggy, warm, 73 in town, upper 70s to near 80 at the coast, lower 70s for the northern suburbs. Northern suburbs, though, will be hotter as we get into Monday, mid to maybe even upper 90s in a few spots. Low 90s still down by the coast with the influence in that sea breeze, mid-90s for us here in town. So there's the 7-day forecast. We're talking about, again, 20% rain chance for Monday, 10% rain chance for Tuesday, and then mid to upper 90s into Wednesday. The first day of fall, near 100 degrees. Lots of sunshine, though. And then as we get into the weekend, the heat continues. Temperatures in the mid-90s all the way through next Sunday.